Dancer and entertainer Popcaan to host his charity treat in St. Thomas for school kids and fun day with a lot of giveaway for back to school kids. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. The Popcaan Care Foundation is back after a 2-year break and is just in time to treat the children of the dancehall superstars' hometown of St. Thomas with back-to-school supplies for the new school year. The annual after-school treat and fun day had been put on hold due to the COVID pandemic in 2020. Now with the charity's return, hundreds of students from the Eastern Parish will be issued with school care packages with bags, books and stationery supplies. The event, which will be held at Rudolph Elder Park in Morant Bay on Thursday, August 25th, commencing at 10 a.m. until 6 p.m. A representative of Popcaan Care Foundation said that the event return has been welcomed with much excitement and gratitude from parents in the community. The last hosting of Popcaan's after-school treat and fun day in 2019 had over 700 children from across the parish of St. Thomas. This year, the organizers are prepared for a similar turnout. This year's event, which is sponsored by Clark's Original and Unruly Entertainment, OVO, Bashko and SMA Talent, will offer a day of fun for the kids with numerous rides and refreshments. Earlier this month, the Queen of the Dancehall Spice also held her back-to-school event at Hope Gardens in Kingston via Grace Hamilton, the Women Empowerment Foundation. The August 5th event ended prematurely due to disorderly conduct from eager families. Links 007 TV will continue to track these stories plus more to come on the program. Thanks for watching.